Yeah, it's quite late here, but because of the urgency of this particular behavior that the market is putting on right now, I think it's important I bring this video our way today. Now, before I say it quickly, it's the chart of Bitcoin and the dollar on a daily time frame, and I want to put us, on the right mindset, what to expect. As you know, the market is always we usually focus on probabilities, and we tend to look at the most likely probability that may play out. Now, this if you look at the market since this uh, November, 9 uh, pullback that we saw, this massive pullback that we saw, the market has formed a kind of range, and the range is just around between 17,500 and 15,500. But since then, we see the market trying to initiate a move back to the upside. And I told us that 17,500 is going to be our first target. 17,500 is going to be our first target. Since then, we have not hit 17,500. I made a video telling us that 17,500 is still our first target and is still on course. Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin doing something here, which a lot of people were almost freaking out. But I look at other market, what was going on in other market. I discovered that in the the crude oil market was already down. As I speak to you now, oil is trading around $71. And then when I saw that and I saw the dollar index, then I saw what gold and silver is doing. I quickly knew that here we are going to see some bounce, and that is what is happening here today. And this is quite a very good bounce. And if Bitcoin closes like this today, what it means is that by tomorrow, we are likely to see Bitcoin initiating a move to that 17,500 finally, or maybe coming down to retest this 16,700, which has really, really proved to be a strong support for Bitcoin. Now, let us look at the MACD. Let's look at the MACD. The MACD for right now, the MACD is still positive. Yes, the MACD is positive on the daily time frame. And let us look at the RSI also. Yeah, the RSI just crossed the 50 line now. It has gone above the 50 line. Now, if if the RSI closes to the above this 50 RSI line, it closes above this 50 line, that is going to be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Remember, I've always told us that whenever the RSI comes above this 50 line, the asset has entered into a bullish territory. So if this RSI stays above 50 line uh, to the end of this day, then tomorrow we are expecting more bullish action to happen in the Bitcoin price action. And if that happens, 17,500, which have been our long-term target, is going to be hit finally. And what happened at 17,500 is going to be a different ball game entirely. Though what the bigger time frames are showing to us are quite very juicy. Let's quickly look at the weekly time frame. Let's see the weekly time frame. Yes, yeah. On the weekly time frame, what we are this is simply just a continuation pattern. This is continuation pattern. When I say continuation pattern, that is trend continuation, change of trend, reversal of trend, continuation pattern, showing that prices are still tilting to the upside. That is what it is. Simple, simple. We are not seeing any bearish, scenario here for the um uh, uh price action here for the candles on the weekly time frame. Let's quickly look at the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame quite very interesting also. If you look at the monthly time frame, this candle, if it closes like this alone is a bullish pattern. That is what it is. Yeah, if it closes like this, but we are just quite very early. We have 23 days more, for the month to close. So this we will likely see a lot of changes happening here. But remember when we opened this month earlier, this candle was red, right now it's green. And if I show something on the MACD on the monthly time frame, of course, which is very important, let me show something on the MACD on the monthly time frame. If you look at the MACD on the monthly time frame, it's showing us that Bitcoin is on the path of recovery. That is what it's showing on the path of recovery. All right, now this is where I just want to end this video for today. And before I go, I want to take us back to some of the things that I've shown us here on the daily time frame. That 16,700 so far is only at the support, and it has held so far. We're seeing this bounce. We're expecting that if Bitcoin goes like this, then we'll see a move to 17,500 finally. But if tomorrow drama comes in and then the market comes to the downside, 7,700, 16,700 will also hold once again. It is only when we see a close below 16,700 that will be a bit skeptical. And then when we see a close below 16,500, which is Fibonacci 0.5, then we'll know that that is a deep retracement. Anything below that means that we have to leave the market for that moment. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like our videos, turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos every time as we upload them. Bye for now. See you in my next update.